gonna eat these pancakes. Okay, now they're done. Guys, if you hear some grunting or cooing, it's this little one right here in her rocking chair. Paige, say hi. YouTube, it's your girl Magda, and today I have my Fit Girl pancake recipe for you. Everybody who tried this, loved this, and if you ever see anybody else recreating this, know that I'm the original person who created this pancake recipe. Very simple, easy, quick. This is a power pancake that will help to sustain you throughout the day. Consuming this early in the morning, this is micronutrient dense. It has, it's high in antioxidants. It has your fats, your carbs, your proteins all in one. And I'll show you exactly how I love to create. All the dry ingredients go into my blender cup. Instead of using regular flour, I like to use oats as a substitute because this is also gluten-free. So we have the oats. Going to use some baking powder. Usually just everything. Cinnamon. And I'll always recreate this differently, but cinnamon is absolutely the base for this. Some stevia to sweeten it. This is also low glycemic. I forgot to mention that in the intro. Low glycemic means that it doesn't spike your insulin now. I also, if I add the banana, it won't be as low glycemic, but sometimes I'll add a banana, sometimes I won't. This case, I am adding a banana because these bananas are becoming ripe and I don't want to waste them, so I'm just going to use it in my pancake. So I use some sea salt, stevia, the baking powder. All the dry ingredients are together, and now I'm going to blend it in my blender cup. So that's the flour. Just like you get pancakes in a box, this is just the same exact thing. So that's that. Sometimes if I'm not confident about the mixture, I'll just taste it to see if it's sweet enough or if the right balance of salt and sweet and salty or savory flavor is plentiful inside of this mix. Now I have my little friend on the side in her rocking chair, so every now and then I'm rocking her. So I have a mixture of blueberries, almonds, and some raisins. So that's a high antioxidant mix. That's a power mix right there. I'm going to add my egg. Now all the wet ingredients are going into the blender cup. Some almond milk. Some peanut butter. Or almond butter, whichever I prefer that day. Oops, that's 2 tablespoons of peanut butter. And that's it. Oh no, I almost forgot my vanilla extract. So that goes into the blender cup again. Oh, I almost forgot my banana. See, now the banana is optional. Again, I don't always use a banana. And the blueberries and all the, it's optional. Okay. So now, going to blend all the wet ingredients together. All the wet ingredients are blended, and now that goes into the bowl. Now I like to put, and I just mix it as I pour it into the bowl. Okay. Okay, now the pancakes are ready. Okay, use non-stick spray. Forgot to put a little bit of oil because without the oil, the pancakes tend to get dry. So the oil helps to keep the pancakes nice and moist. The oil that I just poured in is sunflower oil. I don't want to give Trader Joe's any shout outs, but you can get sunflower oil from everywhere, from anywhere, as a matter of fact. I know Trader Joe's sunflower oil is a bit more affordable than most locations. All right, so I like this consistency. It's nice and thick. I'm just waiting for my pan to warm up. It's the perfect consistency for the pancake. I just need to add a little bit more stevia. Now stevia, it doesn't spike your insulin. Again, it's a sugar substitute. It's a natural sugar substitute, unlike Splenda or the sugar-free sugars. It's a healthier alternative. I'm just gonna, because when I'm speaking as I'm mixing, I just don't want it to get too thick too quickly. The reason why I opt for stevia instead of the other sugars, it's been linked, sugar-free sugar has been linked to cancer, so therefore I try to minimize that and use natural alternatives like stevia. All right, now it's time to put this into the pot. I'll let the pancakes sit in the pan for about 3 minutes max, or I'll just wait until around the edges start to brown and the top starts to bubble, and I'll know that the pancakes are ready to be flipped. And on the opposite side, once I flip it, I only let it sit for 30 seconds. Now I know these aren't the perfect pancake shapes. All right. Okay. So one of them got burnt. One of them got messed up when I tried to flip it. But anyway, this is what happens in real life. The pancakes don't always come out perfect. Okay, so let it sit on that side for 30 seconds. Gonna use some blueberries. I put blueberries inside the pancakes, blueberries on top. Put the blueberries right on top. Ooh. My hemp seeds. Some hemp seeds. These are high in omega-3s, and it also has plant-based protein in the hemp seeds. I noticed that whenever I consume hemp seeds on a daily, it helps my nails to be a lot stronger. So I never really looked into the benefits of hemp seeds for your nails, but that's what I've noticed. Hemp seeds, blueberries. Now where is my syrup? Is right here. And there you have it. Healthy, macronutrient dense, fit girl, power pancake right here, all in one. Now, for those of you who find eating oatmeal on a daily basis very difficult, I actually prefer this option instead of consuming oatmeal every day. Actually, I started eating oatmeal pancakes during prep season when I was prepping at one point for a competition, a bodybuilding competition. Instead of eating oatmeal every day, I made oatmeal pancakes. Okay, let's That's my pancakes. These will melt in your mouth. I'm telling you, this is amazing. And instead of blending the flour and doing all of that all over again, what I like to do is prepare the oat pancakes in advance, store it in the fridge or in the freezer, and I can have it later on throughout the week. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed the recipe. Feel free to share with anyone else that you like, and I'll see you next time. Take care.